Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everyone. Hope you are fine. Our topic for today is weight, and the subtopic is number balance. Learner's book, page number 53, plus written work. So take out your learner's book and notebooks as well and get ready. Learning objective. Students will be able to estimate, measure, and compare lengths and weights, choosing and using suitable uniform, non-standard and standard units and appropriate measuring instruments. So this is the learning objective for today. Anticipation complete. 26 plus 6 is equal to dash, a simple number sentence and addition number sentence. So we can put 26 in my mind and count on 6 on your fingers. Now I'm putting 26 in my mind. Now I'm counting on 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. The answer is 32. And there is another way to add it. You can round up 26 to the nearest tens. What is the nearest 10 to 26? Just count on and find it out. 26 in mind. Now count on 27, 28, 29 and 30. Yes, 30 is the nearest tens. And how many numbers you have counted? Yes, you have counted 4 numbers. So you can take 4 numbers from 6 and give it to 26 to make it 30. Now, if we take 4 out of 6, how many numbers are left? 4 in mind, now count on 5, 6. 2 numbers are left. So, when we take out 4, 2 numbers are left and we have given 4 to 26. 26 plus 4 is 30 and now in 30 you will add the remaining 2. 30 and 2, 32. So, we have done. Now, B part. 10 plus 9 is equal to dash. Again, an addition number sentence. Put 10 in mind and count on 9. Count with me. 10 in my mind. Now count on 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Stop. The answer is 19. C part. 18 plus 7 is equal to dash. Again, you can round up 18 first or you can put 18 in your mind and count on 7. Both ways are right. I'm rounding up 18 first. 18. Now count on 19, 20. Yes. The nearest 10 is 20. The next 10 is 20. And we need 2 numbers for 18 to make it 20. And we will take these 2 numbers from number 7. Exactly. We can take this from 7 and give it to 18. Now it's 20. Now if we take out 2 from 7, how much numbers are left? 2 in my mind. Now count on 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, 5 numbers are left. Now, here is 20, 18 plus 2. And in 20, you can add the remaining 5 here. 20 plus 5, 20 in mind, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. The answer is 25. Or if you add simply, putting 18 in your mind and count on 7, you will get the 25 answer. You want to check it? Okay, we can count it. 18 in my mind. Now I am counting on 7 on my fingers. 18 in my mind. Now I am counting on 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Stop. The answer is 25. It means our answer is correct. So these both ways are correct. You can use any method here. It's just an oral anticipation. Now, weight. Weight is the measure of how heavy an object is. So, when we say the object is heavy, we can say its weight, it has more weight. When we are comparing 2 things, suppose we are holding an apple, we are holding, on one hand we are holding apple, on the other hand we are holding a pumpkin. So, what do you think? Which one is heavy? Yes, pumpkin is heavy. So, we can say the weight of pumpkin is heavier than the apple. We use different weighing scales or weighing machines to weigh objects. So, we can weigh the things by using different objects or scales. They are available in markets and you can see these scales in our daily lives. Let me show you some. You can see there are 3 weighing scales here. Look at the first one. you can see a digital meter here. You can see a numbers, it means it's a digital meter. And a small kg is written here. Kg stands for kilogram. We mostly measure weights in kilograms. Kilogram is the standard unit of measuring weights. So kg means kilogram. It's a short form of kilogram. So this scale is kg scales, kilogram scales, and it's a digital scale. We put the object on it, and the meters show us the weight of that object. Now, the second scale, it's a balancing scale. You can see they are both sides. They are joined with chains, and they can move up and down from both sides. We can measure the objects on it by putting object on one side, and on the side we will put the weights. They are weights, and they are about how kg weights, or 1 kg, 2 kg, or half kg weights available. So we can put one weight on one side and object on one side and check out what is the weight. If the both sides are at equal level, we can say they are balanced. But if one sides go up and one go down, this means the upside will be smaller and the downside will be greater, or it's heavier, and upside will be lighter. So in this, and if the other side is up and the second one is down, we say the up one side is lighter and the down one side is heavier. In that way we can find out how a thing is heavier than the other, or how a thing is heavier than the weight or lighter than the weight. It's an old way to balance things or find out the way of different objects. And you can see in this scale in market, mostly used in measuring vegetable and fruits, and normal items present in your grocery items. Now look at that scale. Again, this scale has a meter. You can see a needle here, we call it pointer also, and there's a space where we can put the object. When we put the object in this scale, the needle moves and stop at that point, which shows the weight of that object. So through this we can also see gauge, or we can say a meter. This meter can show, number meter can show the weight of different object present in the space here. This is your day and date slide. On the extreme left top, Thursday. In the center, classwork. On the extreme right top, you will write 18th March, 2021. So write your day and date on Learner's Book, page number 53, and write it very neatly. Topic: number balance. This is a number balance. It uses weights. You can see it's a number balance. On both sides of this balance, the numbers are written from 1 till 10, 1 till 10, and they have equal spaces here. And there are some weights present here, and we will find out the number balance today. We are balancing the numbers today. The weights can be hung on number hooks. Equal numbers balance. Only equal numbers can balance. If the number are balance are same on the both sides, or the total of numbers are same on both sides, we can say they are balancing each other, or number are balanced. Now we can show this example here. Let me tell you. Look at that. On one side, weight is hanged on number 10, and on the other side, the weight is hanged on number 2 and number 8. Why? Let me tell you. On one side, there is number 10. It means we have to balance 10 on other side. We have to find out the equal balance on other side. So you can say it's a game of number pair of 10s. So you can find any two number pair of 10s to balance this side. So you can start from the number next to 10, just before 10, or you can start from number 10. Put 9 in your mind, and now count on how many we add in 9 to make it 10. 9, 1, 10. Yes, 9 and 1 can balance. Is the total of 9 and 1 is 10. So we can say if we put the weights, or if we hang the weights on number 9 and 1, they can balance number 10 on the other side. Here they use the number pair of 8 and 2, because 8 plus 2, 8 in mind, count on 2, 9, 10. Yes, 8 and 2, the total of 8 and 2 is also 10. So we can say the number 10 is also balanced by number 8 and 2. So you will hang the weights on number 8 and 2. In this way, you can hang more numbers here. Now, if you want to balance number, suppose if you want to balance number 7 here, sorry, if you want to, okay, if you want to balance number, now if you want to balance number 7 here, right, or you will hang the weight on number 7, which two numbers will balance on the other side, which two numbers will be hanged on, the weights will be hanged on other side to balance number 7. So think about it. Again, you will find a number pair of 7s. So you can choose the start from the first number, or you can start from the number just before 7, that is 6. If you put 6 in mind, now count on 6 plus 1 is 7. So you can hang the weights on number 1 and 6 to balance number 7 on the other side. And there are also many options. If you want to choose the next number after 6, we have done the 6, now choose 7, 5. And if you choose 5, now put 5 in mind and count on 5, 6, 7. Yes, if we add 2 in 5, we get 7. So we can also say number 5 and number 2. If we add them, we get 7. So we will hang the balance on number 5 and number 2. Now, one more option. Now choose the number 4. Put 4 in mind. Now count on 4 in my mind. Now I'm counting on 5, 6, 7. How many numbers you have counted? 3. It means 4 and 3 also make 7. And we can hang the weights on number 3 and 4 to balance number 7. In that way, you will do today's work. Now, we are moving towards our questions. These are the questions, and we will do them on notebook. Imagine that you hang a weight on the number 9. Where will two other weights go on the other side to make a balance? Is there only one way? Find as many different ways as you can. Imagine that you hang two weights on number 10 on one side. How many weights would you need to make it balance? If you use just the number 5 hooks on the other side, investigate using hooks other than number 5. So we can do these questions on notebook. So take out your notebooks, write day and date properly as we have written on our learner's book. On extreme left top write Thursday, in the center classwork, and in the extreme right top you will write 18th March, 2021. And please, the spelling should be correct of Thursday in classwork. Then leave a line and write the topic weight, underline with the color pencil. Then again leave a line and write your question. Question number 1. If you hang a weight on number 9, where will other two weights go on the other side to make it balance? Now we have a number 9 here, and we have to balance number 9. We can choose only two numbers, two weights, only two weights to balance number 9. Right? I have highlighted them or underlined them so you can look at them easily. Now, first we will start the question from the statements. Do you know what is the first number present in the question? Yes, number 9. And what is number 9? Weight. Hang on number 9. So we will write the first statements by using the first number present in the question. One weight hang on one side of number balance is equal to 9. Now, where will, so this one we have to find it out. Where will two other weights go on the other side to make it balance? So second statement we will take from here. Weight hang on other side to make it balance is equal to. Now we are moving towards our scale. Now we'll start the work again. First we will put the weight on number 9, and now we will find out how many two weights on the other side. Only two weights you can choose. who are going to balance number 9. So again, there are number pairs of 9 game. You can start from just before number 9. What is the number just before? Yes, 8. Or you can start from the first number also, number 1. So if I will start from number 1, yes, I choose number 1 first. I'm hanging my first way on number 9. Number 1, sorry. Now I'm counting on. Put 1 in my mind and I will count on to get 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, how many numbers I have counted? 8 exactly. So it means 1 and 8. The total of 1 and 8 is 9. So we can hang the weights on number 1 and 8. So this is our first option. 1 plus 8. Right? Now, we have done with 1. Now, the next number, we can choose 2. Now, we can put 2 in my mind. Now, I'm putting 2 in my mind. Now, I'm counting on 2 in mind. Now, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. How many numbers I have counted? 7. Exactly. It means 2 and 7 make 9. They are the number pair of 9. So, we will hang the weights on 2 and 7 also. This is the second option here. 2 plus 7. Now we are moving towards our next option. One more number pair of 9. We have done with 2. Now we'll go for 3. If we put the scale on number 3, then how many more we have needed? Now put 3 in mind and count on 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Stop. How many numbers you have counted? Exactly, you have counted 6 numbers. So hang the weight on number 6. Now 6 and 3 make 9. They are number pair of 9. So we can hang the weights on number 3 and 6. So 3 plus 6 is again one more number pair. Now check the next one. Let me erase it first. Now we have done with 3. Now 2 and 7 we have done here. 1 and 8 we have done here. We can say, we also write 8 plus 1. We can also write 7 plus 2. Now the next number we have missed is 4. We have missed the 4. No, the next turn is a 4, right? 1, 2, 3 has done. Now turn of 4. So I am pressing the scale on number 4. Now put 4 in mind and count on 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Stop. How many numbers you have counted? Yes, 5 numbers. So we can hang the scale on number 4 and 5 to balance number 9 on the other side. So this is our fourth option. We can also write 5 plus 4, 6 plus 3, 7 plus 2, 8 plus 1. Both ways are right. I've written all the options here. You can write in that way 6 plus 3 or 2 plus 7 or 1 plus 8 or 4 plus 5. These are the options. So these all are the number pairs of 9, or they can balance 9 which is present on the other side of number balance. If you hang 2 scales on the number 10 on one side, how many weights would you need to make it balance on the other side? Again, we have to balance. There are 2 weights on number 10, and we have to find how many weights will be balanced number 10 on the other side. So we will start from the statements. Which is the first number present here? 10. And there are 2 weights of 10 are hanged on number balance on one side. So total of 2 weights hang on one side of number balance is equal to, so 2 weights 10 and 10, total it is, yes, 20, because 110 and 110, it's 2 tenths, and 2 tenths means 20. Second statement will take from the second part. How many weights would you need to make it balance? So this is the thing we are going to find it out. Weights hang on the other side to make it balance. So we write these statements properly, and then we will find out how can we balance number 20 by putting the scales on other sides, by choosing the numbers on other side of the number balance. Now first I will place the balance on number 10. Right, now I'm putting the scale on number 10. So which two numbers, sorry. So which two numbers can balance the 10 on the other side, or where we can hang the weights to balance number 10. So again, I'm telling you, you can choose a number balance. There are two weights here. I have placed one weight here. I have to place one weight more here. So if I place two weights, 10 plus 10, the total is 20, right? Now here is 20 and we have to balance 20 on other side. So you can use number pair of 20 also. It's easy for you to balance, to find out the numbers here. We have done with the number pairs of 20. So we can start from any number. You can start from 10, you can start from 1. This is your choice. So I'm starting with the 10. 10 and 10 is 20 is done. Now, if I choose one weight of 10, and I'm placing the weight here, and again I will choose one more number here. In 10, I will choose one more number. Suppose what is the next number after, just before 10? 9, 10 and 9. Now if I choose 10 and 9, can you add them? 10 in my mind, now I'm counting on 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Yes, total of them is 19. And now in 19, how many we have to add to make it 20? How many numbers will be add in 19 to make it 20? Yes, 19 and 1. So these are the three numbers where we hang the weights to balance 20 on the other side. 1, 9 and 10. And you can write in like that way, 1 plus 9 plus 10, or 10 plus 9 plus 1. You can arrange them as you want. So there are lots of options. We can go for some options only. Now, if we are to, I'm hanging the scale on number 8. And first, what I will do, I will make 8 into 10. So how many we have to add in 8 to make 10? 8 in my mind. Now count on 8, 9, 10. How many numbers we have needed? 2. So it means when we add 8 into we get 10. So I'm also hanging scale on weight on number 2. 8 into 10. Now we have got 10. We need for 20 we need one more 10. Yes, we get the 10 and we need one more 10. So we can choose the 10 here. Simply. Now I'm hanging this weight on number 10. Now 2 and 8, 10 and 1, 10, 20. So we can write in that way 2 plus 8 plus 10 or 10 plus 8 plus 2. Both ways are right. Now we'll look for one more option here. Suppose I'm choosing number 7 here. And first, round up 7 to the nearest 10. 7 in your mind. Now count on 7, 8, 9, 10. How many numbers you have needed? 3 exactly. Our next number is 3 where we have to put the weight. Now 7 and 3 make 10. We get the 10 and we need one more 10. We can choose the number 10 from here. So we can write 3 plus 7 plus 10. These three numbers can balance number 20 on other side, or we have to put the scale weights on these numbers to balance number 20 on other side. So in this way, you will get your maximum options. You can put the number also on, you can also put the number from 6, round up that number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We need 4, 6 and 4. And now 6 of 4 is 10. Now we get one more 10 from taking 10. 4 plus 6 plus 10 is also the numbers which can balance 20 on other sides, or we can put the weights on these numbers to balance number 20 on other side. In that way, you will do your work. I have written maximum possibilities here. And what about number 5? Let me tell you about number 5. If we will choose number 5, only number 5, how many weights we have needed? So we have to count in 5s. 5, now put one more, 5 and 5, 10. Now one more, 10 and 5, 15. Now one more, 10, 15 and 5, 20. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Or we can say 5 multiplied by 4. So we can count 5 4 times to get 20. Or we can say, we can put 4 scales on 4 weights on 5 to get 20. So we can use 5 4 times. Now, these are options here. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. 4 weights the number 5. Or 10 plus 4 plus 6 plus 4. Or 2 plus 8 plus 10. Or 6 plus 4 plus 3 plus 7. Or 1 plus 9 plus 2 plus 8. Or 7 plus 3 plus 10. You can see I always use the number pairs of 10. 6 and 4, 10, 3 and 7, 10. 1 and 9, 10, 2 and 8, 10. So in that way you can do your work. You can find more options as you want. Now plenary. The weight is hanging on number 8. Circle any two numbers on the other side of the number balance to make it balance. It's very simple. Here is number 8. Which two numbers you have to circle? Again, you find the number pair of 8. You can start from 7. You can start from 1. So if I will start from number 7, how many I have needed? 7, then 1, 8. Or you can choose 2 or 6. So you can find the number pair of 8 to find it out. And it's very easy now. I hope you have understood the topic properly and you have enjoyed your lesson. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.